Have you ever wondered how heat transfer works? It's a process that's happening all around us all the time. In the warmth of a cup of tea, the chill of a cold winter's day, the heat of the sun on your skin. It's an essential part of life as we know it. But what exactly is heat transfer? Heat transfer, at its most basic, is the movement of heat energy from one place to another. It's the reason why an ice cube melts in a warm room, why your hand gets cold when you touch a window on a chilly day, and why a hot cup of coffee cools down over time. There are three main ways that heat can move or be transferred: conduction, convection, and radiation. Each of these methods has unique characteristics, but all play a crucial role in how heat moves around our world. First, conduction. Picture a metal spoon in a hot bowl of soup. The heat from the soup warms the spoon, which in turn warms your hand when you pick it up. This is conduction, the transfer of heat through a solid object, from molecule to molecule. Next, convection. Imagine a pot of water on a stove. The heat from the stove warms the water at the bottom of the pot. This warm water then rises, and the cooler water sinks to the bottom to be heated in turn. This cycle of rising and sinking creates a current that circulates the heat through the water. This is convection. Finally, radiation. Think about how you can feel the heat from a fire, even if you're standing several feet away. This is radiation, the transfer of heat through space in the form of electromagnetic waves. It's the same process that allows the sun's heat to reach us here on Earth. So to recap, heat transfer is the process of heat moving from one place to another, and it can happen in three main ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat through a solid molecule by molecule. Convection is the transfer of heat through a fluid, which can be a liquid or a gas, via a circulating current. And radiation is the transfer of heat through space in the form of electromagnetic waves. Heat transfer is an essential part of our daily lives, influencing everything from the weather to how we cook our food. So next time you're warming your hands with a hot cup of tea or feeling the chill of a cold winter's day, take a moment to appreciate the complex and fascinating process of heat transfer at work.